Save, Healed, and Delivered Tour. This is the third time that we are doing this crusade in this city where I was born, where I grew up, and right now where I am living. I love Marikina! And I know, marami ding mga kaibigan tayo na naninira sa iba't ibang mga syudad. Welcome, welcome to the beautiful city of Marikina. Welcome to this crusade. And so far, this is the biggest home-free global crusade in this city. Just look around you. We are more than 20,000 people gathered here at the